Welcome to Civil Engineer Practical Work. Today I tell you how making this steel structure building. I show you this steel structure building because this is we not use this permanent for 40 year 15 like this. We use this for 5 year 10 year. Yes, today I tell you how this making this steel structure building. You know, before this installation, this erection steel structure, we making this column, we making this downside, we making this grade beam and column, and we put this anchor bolt, and after this steel structure erection, this fixing this anchor bolt. You can see we fix this all anchor bolt, this erection, this steel structures, and this columns, and this steel structure, this beam, this is all fixing. We making same, this is all same. You can see. Because this is the steel structure parts, this C channel, this steel structure column, this beams, this roof sheet, you can see, and this inside we making this grade slab, this for floor. But I show you how this making steel structure building, because this structure is used for temporary for 10 year, for 8 year like this. After this demolish, you can see this is a wall, we make with this, making this channel, this is fixing. You can see this. I show you how this fix. This is column, because this have too much demand in futures. This steel structure building engineer, supervisor. Today I show you how this making this steel structure, because this is all materials, this related to columns, beams, erections, this is all fixing with steel. You can see this is a roof sheet we making, and this according to drawing we have this span beam, and this side wall fixed sheet, you see, and this side is remaining. Today just I want you how making this steel structure building erection with this some components like this. You see this parts of this steel structure. This is building same. This is wall, this roof, making this steel columns with beams, this C channel, you can see. Okay, thank you. You see my video.